Wolf 1061c is a planet with more than 4 times the mass of Earth, but it is now the closest Earth-like planet to the Earth. It is the closest potentially habitable planet outside of our solar system at 14 light years away. We'll talk a little bit about that distance in a bit. The planet sits within a zone where it might be possible for water to exist. It might be possible for life to exist. It is also one of a number of relatively close planets that could support life. According to the study's lead author, Dr. Duncan Wright of the University of New South Wales, it is particularly exciting to find this because all 3 planets they have identified are of low enough mass to be potentially rocky and have a solid surface. The middle planet, Wolf 1061c, is within what's called the Goldilocks zone, where it could be possible to have liquid water and maybe even life. This is very, very exciting, Lewis, because this at 14 light years away, we still probably can't get there anytime soon, certainly not with current technology, probably not with the technology of the next 15 or 20 years, but it is close enough where we can do much more observation of the planet and maybe learn interesting things.
I'm all for that. Yeah, certainly let's research it, but you're right, we're not getting there anytime soon. 14 years at the speed of light. I mean, even if we could travel half the speed of light, which would be a huge accomplishment for us, and it probably won't happen in our lifetimes, that would take how long? 20, 28 years? I mean, it's incredible.
Well, so to put this in perspective, New Horizons is one of the fastest spacecraft, space things that humans have launched. It's pretty small. It's a small satellite. It's traveling at about 35,000 miles per hour, which is very, very fast. At that speed, it will take New Horizons 19,000 years to travel a light year. Remember, a light year, you hear year, you think that that's a time. Light year is a distance. It's the distance it takes light a year to travel. So do the math. Wolf 1061c is more than 50 times further than that.
I know. If you think about how far we need to, the advancements we need to make to be able to reach planets like this, it's, I think I'm very comfortable saying it will not happen in our lifetimes.
Let me issue just one caveat, which is the futurists like Ray Kurzweil, for example, they are big on the idea of accelerating advancement in technology. Now, the acceleration rate in how fast we can travel in space would need to be huge in order for us to have a reasonable shot at getting to Wolf 1061. But that being said, if we start to see this hugely accelerating skill at traveling quickly through space, I don't know. You never want to say never. 100 years ago, there were many things people said would never happen, which have happened. I know now we have a much better sense of what is and is not possible in the immediate future. But hey, I say never rule anything out.
I like your optimism, but we'll leave it there.